This is Sensor Susu. Recently, Iran attacked Kuwait again, but the place Iran attacked was none other than a facility operated by a Chinese company. Today, let's take a closer look at this issue. The Kuwaiti Ministry of Defense stated that this attack was an act directly targeting a civilian facility and announced that they are investigating the extent of the damage. The building that was attacked is known to be a facility operated by a Chinese company, and it was reported that work was ongoing at the site at the time. The explosion caused significant damage to the building's exterior walls and interior facilities, and there were reports from the surrounding area of hearing the sound of the explosion. The rescue team searched for the injured and fought the fire simultaneously while restricting access to prevent more damage. The Kuwaiti government said attacks on civilians are unacceptable and, with relevant agencies, has launched an investigation into the attack's trajectory and weapons used. This incident is notable because it directly impacted a Chinese company. China has been making large-scale investments in energy and infrastructure in several Middle Eastern countries, and Kuwait is also one of its main investment targets. With Chinese companies and workers impacted by the attack, focus is increasing on how the Chinese government will respond. The drone attack in Egypt is also having a major effect. This time, Iran also attacked Egypt. The Damietta port, which was attacked, is one of Egypt's main LNG export hubs and a key facility for natural gas shipments bound for Europe. A fire broke out at the port, prompting an emergency response, and it has been reported that there were some disruptions to port operations. The British maritime risk management company Vanguard stated that the Energos winner was apparently hit by an unidentified projectile, and investigations into the exact perpetrator and circumstances of the attack are still ongoing. No crew casualties have been reported, but with energy facilities and merchant ships now targeted, the international shipping industry is on high alert. If there are major updates, I'll make and upload a video. This concludes the video. Thank you.
Ja?